Okay, so one of the educators was facing a difficulty that the learners were, once they joined the class, she has left the class, but still the learners are there, or perhaps they joined in before or after. So you just need to go down when you're scheduling the meeting, go down at the bottom, click on advanced options, and remove this tick. Allow participants to join anytime. Just remove this tick and then click save. So once you do that, you'll be able to make sure that the learners cannot join before you start the class. Okay, and at the end of the meeting, for example, this is a meeting. I'll start a meeting now. I'll explain something else. If you have a meeting started up, once you click on end, you'll have multiple options. If you click on leave meeting, you'll just leave the meeting. But if you click on end meeting for all, they'll all be like they'll be forced to exit the meeting room. So this is how you can make sure that at the end of the meeting you use the end meeting for all and make sure that the class ends properly. Thank you.